Today we are completing the class 9 chapter 2.4 CBSE. This is CBSE class 9 NCERT chapter 2.4, that is polynomial. This is our last part. This is our last part. Now, before we completing this last chapter, we must again go through this is called identities. We must go to all the identities. Now we are starting with the question number 10. Clear? Now question number 10. What they have said there in the question number 10, factorize 27y cube plus 125z cube. Now we can see that this 27 and this 125 can be cubed by like see 27, that is 3, 3, 3, 3, 1. Is it clear? And this can be written as 3y whole cube. Okay. Now this 125 can be written as 5, 5, 5, 1. So that is, this can be written as 5z whole cube. Now which identity we are using? We are using the identity, this is this one directly. So using the identity, what we write that? Using the identity x cube plus y cube is equal to x plus y into x square minus xy plus y square. We can write this. Then this one is 3y plus 5z, and this one is 3x whole square, that is x square, 3y. 3y square minus, which one x is? 3y. Which one is this y? That is 5z plus 5z whole square. Now what is the things are coming? 3y plus 5z into 9y square minus 15z yz plus 25z square. Now what happened? See that this is also a polynomial. but it is a quadratic polynomial of two variables. Now if there is a quadratic variable unit of two variable, so that we can't using this, then we go to the called, that is factorization theorem. So what is the factorization theorem? Middle term, that is a into c, that is a into c. What is AC? 9 into 25. Now then again 9 into 25 is 225. So we have to make that LCM, that is 3, 75. Now 70 plus 3 never we come to the 15, and the 75 minus 3 also never come to the 15. Then we again go through the 3, 25. Now 25 plus 9, that is 34. 25 minus 9 is equal to 16. So 15 never come. Then what will do that? 5 into 5. 5 into 5. Now anyhow 15 is coming. So it never comes a middle term factor. You have to check that each and every time. So whether if the middle term is not coming, then the answer will be this. But you have to check the middle term for every time. Now the question 10, second is 2. What is 2? 64 m cube minus 343 m cube. So that 364 can be written as 4m whole cube minus, and this can be written as 7n whole cube. Now what the identity we are using? This one. Now that is x minus y into 4n square, that is x square, plus 4m into 7n plus 7n whole square. Now 4n minus 7n is equal to 16m square plus 7n. Now if we consider that a into c, that is 16 into 49. Now this is a very big term, so we can write it 16 into 45 is 2 into 2 into 2 into 2, this is the factor of 69, into 7 into 7. Now if we consider this any of the thing, 2 to the 4, 7, 7, 9, we do the plus minus kind of thing, we can't get that 28, the number over here. 28 number over here. So that my answer is this one. So question number 10 is complete. Now we go for that. They have the question number 9. Sorry. Question number 11. What they have asked? Factorize. What is factorize? 27 x cube plus y cube plus z cube minus 9xyz. Now 3 cubes are there. Very carefully say that. Now 3 cube is there. So which identity for the 3 cube we are using? Now which identity we are using for the 3 cube? This is this one. So what is this? X plus y z square minus xy minus yz minus zx. So first we have to consider with that this one. This is 3x whole cube plus y cube plus z cube minus 3 into 3x into y into z. Now this form will come. Now this form means x plus y plus z. What is x? 3x. What is y? Y. This is z. Then the come is x square. That's mean 3x square plus y square plus z square. Then the formula is xy. That is minus 3x into y. xy. Then yz. Then yz. Clear? What is y? Minus y into z. Then minus zx. That is z into 3x. Now this formula we have written. So what ultimately it's come? 3x plus y plus z. That is 9x square plus y square plus z square minus 3xy minus yz minus 3xz. Is it clear? Very important question for the exam purpose of things. Now we go through the question number 12. Now they have given us that verify. Now verify that there is a two portion. Now consider that RHS. Consider that RHS. What RHS part is given? Half x plus y plus z, third bracket, x minus y square plus y minus z square plus z minus x square. This is given. The RHS part. Now what we will do? Half x plus y plus z x square minus 2xy plus y square minus 2xy, then plus y square plus z square minus 2yz plus z square plus x square minus 2zx. Which identity we are using? For this we are using this one. Now what is coming? Half x plus y plus z is equal to x square and x square. This x square and this x square, that is 2x square plus 2y square plus 2z square minus 2xy minus 2yz minus 2zx. So what they have coming? From all, 2 can be taken. From all, 2 can be taken as a common. Into 2. What is happened? Now this 2 is cancelled. It is ultimately it's come x plus y plus z into x square plus y square plus z square minus xy minus yz minus zx. Now which identity we are using? That is this identity will come. Now what is the value? This is x cube plus y cube plus z cube minus 3xyz. It is proof. What is proof? LHS is equal to RHS proof. Now you go through that question number 30. Show that x cube plus y cube plus z cube minus 3xy. Okay. Now x cube plus y cube plus z cube is equal to 3x y z is given. Okay. Then what we do? Write that we know that x cube plus y cube plus z cube minus 3xyz is equal to x plus y plus z into x square plus y square plus z square minus xy minus yz minus zx. Put x plus y plus z is equal to 0. Now what is happened? X cube plus y cube plus z cube minus 3xy is equal to 0 into y square plus z square minus xy. There. Now 0 into something means 0. Now is it clear? Very simple sum. Now question number 40. Question number 14, they have said without calculating the cubes. So question number 40. They have said that minus 12 whole cube plus 7 cube plus 5. These three things are given. So how we find out the value? All the 3 cube is given. So for 3 cube we have only the formula that x cube plus y cube plus z cube minus 3xyz is equal to x plus y plus z x square plus y square plus z square minus xy plus yz plus minus zx. So that x cube plus y cube plus z cube is equal to x plus y plus z into x square plus y square plus z square minus xy minus yz minus zx. These 3 goes to that plus 3xyz. Now what is the value of x? Minus 12. What is the value of y? Plus 7. This is the plus 5. Very carefully, we can't put the other value because automatically we say that this will be the 0. This will be the 0. So we simply write that the other thing. X square plus y square plus z square minus xy minus yz minus zx plus 3xyz. And this is 0. 0 into anything is equal to 0. So the answer will be minus 12 whole cube plus 7 whole cube plus 5 whole cube is equal to 0. You simply write that and imply this application. Now the second question. They have given that 28 whole cube again we write that we know that x cube plus y cube plus z cube minus 3xyz is equal to x plus y plus z. X plus y plus z into x square plus y square plus z square minus xy minus yz minus zx. Now what we can do, that x is equal to 28 plus y is equal to minus 15 plus z is equal to minus 3. Okay. Minus 3. Now this is minus 3xyz. So this portion okay. Now this portion is 28 minus 15 minus 13 into x square plus y square plus z square minus xy minus 3xyz. Now this portion is 28 minus 28 and this is 0. So this part is 0. And this is minus. What is the value of x? 28. What is the value of y? 15. What is the value of in? This is 0, plus minus minus. We have to multiply that. That is 28 into 15. Okay. $320. Then multiply 320 into 30. Then you multiply by the 3. What is happened? Minus 12480. Check that. This one is wrong, huh? 420. Okay. Now what is the value of x cube plus y cube plus z cube? It is minus 16380. Now the class is more or less over, so that identities are being erased. Now the question number 15 is there. Question number 15. Now what they have said, area, it is 25 square minus 35 a plus b. We know that area means length into breadth. Length into breadth. Now this is the equation is given. So this is quadratic polynomial. So if the quadratic polynomial is given, what we can do this? We basically do in the form of, that is, which one? Think that either we are using that ax square plus bx plus c, this one, but over here we are using the middle term. Then factorize of 25. Sorry. And factorize of 12. So that is 5 into 5, 2 into 2 into 3. So by the factorize, that is a into c. What is a into c? 5 into 5 into 2 into 2 into 3. Okay. Now we have to taken that 35 in between. So we require that 15. That is 5 into 3 is equal to 15. And 5 into 2 into 2. This is 20. So how can it write that? Yeah. And again length. Then we have to write that unit over here. You can do by own by the question number 2. Then we are going to that dimension, possible expression of the dimension cubic. Now there is a cubic is given. That is question number 60. So what they have given? 3x cube minus 12x. So what we have to do that? 3x square minus 12. Now this one is given. Okay. Now we have to factorize this. That is 3x square minus 12. Now this is a quadratic polynomial. Again we are considering that this is a quadratic polynomial. Now what we can do that? First taken the common. So these 3 is over there and this is the 4. Then it's coming using the identity x squared minus 2 third whole square, that is 3x, and this is x plus 2, x minus 2. No, sorry. Sorry, by mistake. They have given the equation 3x square, sorry. 3x square minus 12x. Then we take that 3x, that is x minus 4. So L may be 3 and height may be x minus 4. Now they have given that second one, last one. 12 ky square minus plus 8 ky minus 20k. Now which was is taken common? K is taken common. 8y minus 20. Now this is a middle term factor. 12 it is 2 into 2 into 3 and 20. That is 2 into 2 into 5 and this is a into c. Now we can take that 8. How we can take that 8? It is not possible. It is not possible. So what we'll do? We'll do that. Again taken the common. 4. That is 3y square plus 2y minus 5. Now 3y square minus 5, that's mean 5 minus 3 is equal to 2. Five minus 3 y minus 5. It's clear. This 2 will come, that is 4k. Y is common, and one is common. Now this is 4k, 3y plus 5, y minus 1. And the answer 4k these 3 is be the answer. This is all about and completing the polynomial chapter of exercise 2.4. Very carefully do and complete all the question. Thank you very much.